and that's this cool little vinyl record sticker. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step that we want to do is to open our App Store or our Google Play Store, and then check out if you're running the latest version of the Instagram app on your device. So if we have an update button here, just tap on that, and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the app installs on your device. This will ensure that you have all of the latest features and functions, including this new vinyl record music sticker that we want to use. So once the Instagram app updates, you want to open it, and then we want to start creating a new story. I'm on my Instagram profile, so in order to create a story from here, I can tap on this little plus option at the top right, which will open this menu for me. From here, I will simply tap on the story option, and that will immediately open my camera roll or photo gallery. There are two ways on how we can add the vinyl record sticker, so follow me. I can tap on this little music option right here, or some of you will see a little vinyl photo. When you click on it, it will open the music library where I want to select a song. I can search for a specific song which I want to share, or I can just scroll and select a song from the list. Once I find the song, I can tap on it, and then the vinyl record sticker will appear over my screen. The song will play, and you can also see the name of the song, as well as the artist. But what if you don't want this to play in full screen, but you want to add the vinyl record to a photo or a video in your Instagram story? Well, that's easy too. You want to start over by creating a new story, then select the photo or video which you would like to share with your followers. I have this photo of the Colosseum in Rome, and I will then add a song to my story. So I'm gonna tap on the little music icon right here, then search for a song which I want to use for my story, and with the vinyl record. When I tap on the song, it will open the editor, where I can select the part of the song which I want to use, as well as the lyrics and other stuff. But all I have to do is to swipe here all the way to the right side until the vinyl record appears. Here it is, so I can tap on Done, and then I just need to resize this if it's too big or small, and after that I can place it wherever I want over my Instagram story. You'll get this little cool animation where the vinyl is spinning and the song is playing in the background. I have more similar Instagram tutorial videos like this one, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon.